special video for our best friend Sona.
Here is
Happy
our
birthday.
Sinterklaas,
Yes.
Nicolas.
Happy birthday for you, Sona. I wish you to be healthy, to be happy. Thank you so much because I find you and you are really good person for us. Really special person, Sona. Thank you so much, and I'm really happy for you. You are every time happy. I really like to speak with you. I really like to be partner with you in YouTube. I'm really happy for you, Sona, and I wish happy birthday to you and success in everything what you wish to do. And also thank you so much because you are a special person and nice person, Sona. And yeah, this is special video for you. Me and Ayana here. I really wish everything what you want in this life to. I wish to you to have a beautiful birthday, and I hope you can stay happy and active like you are every time. And we'll really love you, Sona. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sona, and happy birthday. Who else is it?
I don't know.
We don't know how old you are, but it's okay. You stay young forever. We love you.
We love
And
you
I
so
really
much.
keep my promise. One day I will meet you in Philippines or in
Of course,
Indonesia.
I want to go.
I keep that.
I want also to go there.
Yes. And what we want to sing, maybe? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sona. Happy birthday to you.
I'm not so
Hip,
good
hip.
in singing, but
Hip,
I
hip.
try.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hurrah
Hurrah!
for Sona.
Hurrah!
I hope you like. I'm really beautiful, Sona. I make myself beautiful for you. Look, I'm really
He's special
ready
for
for
you.
you.
For you.
Of course.
It's special for this is olive bola. We eat it in special occasion here in
Donuts,
Netherlands.
like donuts.
Yeah, it's like donut, but it's
It's little
olive
different.
bola. So actually, this is special for you. Eat it for her.
Thank you so much, Sona, and I hope you have a nice birthday.
Yeah.
I really wish one day to visit Philippines, one new country, maybe one day
Yeah.
become real.
Yeah.
But from here, from Netherlands, from me and Ayana, happy birthday to you. I hope you be happy every time, positive like you are every time. You are really beautiful if you smile, if you are. We are really happy with you, and I'm really happy because I meet you, Sona.
Yes.
And of course, Ayana also.
I'm really happy too. I have new friend in the Philippines.
Yes, Sona, I hope you have a nice birthday. We are really happy because we'll meet you. I don't know, never in my life I will find so loyal friends. I have a lot of friends now here, but this is special for you. This video is special for you, Sona.
Yeah.
I hope you will like it, this video, and I hope all your friends
Mama Pakso.
I wish all our friends also tell you happy birthday and think for you, and of course we'll try and also to make a beautiful video for you. Yes, I come from my workplace a little tired, but of course I try to do my best for you. Sona, I hope you like it. I make myself beautiful for you. Look, I have this special coning of
Saint Nicholas.
Center class.
Center class.
Santa Claus is
Santa Claus. No, Santa
Claus.
Claus
You
is,
have this in Netherlands. It's a little under. But I will send you picture. I will show you
Saint Nicholas.
traditional Christmas here from. But this is special video for you, Sona. I hope you like it. Happy birthday to you. I wish you stay positive every time. The best for you.
I wish you
from me and
stay
Ayana.
young forever.
And you are really
beautiful.
Positive person, and I'm really happy to meet you, Sona.
Yes.
Thank you so much because you exist, and thank you so much for everything, and happy birthday to you, Sona. Happy birthday to you from me and Ayana from Netherlands. We love you.
Philippines.
And we love you so much, Sona. And goodbye. And we
Goodbye.
love you. Look, I'm beautiful.
Hi, hello everyone. This is the Explorer at 74. John, binabati kita ng happy birthday, happy 52 birthday. Nauna ka lang ng buwan sa akin. Next month, it's my birthday, and now it's already December, so we are still young, forever young. Kaya I hope you enjoy your birthday, celebrate your birthday with your kids, and enjoy your day. At sana wish ko sa iyo, bigyan ka lagi ni God ng malakas at malusog na pangangatawan, at ilayo ka sa anumang mga sakit, para makapatuloy ka sa pag-entertain sa iyong mga followers and subscriber, at sa amin, sa mga natin, mayroon ka ring fans doon sa mga ka-explorer na humahanga sa iyo. Kaya sana hindi ka magbago. Maintain lang yung beauty natin diyan. Huwag mong tindihin yung edad. Kaya swerte tayo at umabot tayo sa ganitong edad. Yung mga iba, wala na sila, mas maaga silang nagpahinga. Kaya God bless you more. Binabati ko rin ang iyong congratulations sa iyong pagka-monetize. Congratulations na sana lumago palaguin mo pa yung channel, at marami ka pang mapasaya. Kaya bumili ka na ng biit para ma-enjoy, magkantahan na naman at sayawan, kawakanta at tayo ang sasayaw, tayong dalawa. Kaya Chon, naalala ko nung bago pa tayo nakakilala, nung sa team namin, nung pag may oras kasi kami ng vlog, live, after ng live ko, alauna siya na. Kaya sabi ko, Chon, humanda ka na dyan. Diba, noong una, nanginginig ka pa, hindi mo alam kung paano magsalita sa harap, pero kinakabahan ka, pero nakita ko, kaya mo, kaya chini-cheer up kita, kaya mo, go. Kaya ngayon, kapal na yung mga mukha natin sa YT, hindi na tayo nahihiya, hindi na tayo nahiyang tumawa, kumanta, sumayaw. Kaya John, sana balang araw dalawin mo din yung aking at para ma-enjoy, ma-entertain mo yung ating mga ka-explore, yung aking mga fans na humahanga din sa iyo. Kaya sana more patient lang. ganun lang talaga sa sa YT. At maraming maging strong at hindi maging sobrang sensitive yun. Kaya para marami kang mapasaya, huwag kang ma-discourage agad. Yeah, go lang. Tuloy mo yung yung pagkanta. Kanta dala sayaw. Kaya doon humanga yung ang aking mga subscribers sa'yo na magaling ka mag-entertain. Kasi nakita ko noong una pa lang, sabi ko to si Chona may potential to na lalago yung iyong channel at marami kang mapapasayang tao. Kaya ngayon, believe ako sa'yo. Mga bisita mo is international. Pang-international ka talaga. Yung beauty. Kaya kahit hindi man ako nakakadalaw sa'yo, ikaw din tayo. Alam natin na busy tayong dalawa, sabay yung live natin. Kaya salamat sa pag-intindi mo sa akin. Naintindihan din kita kung hindi ka nakapunta sa live ko kasi pareho tayo ng oras. At kahit naka-live ka, ayan, nagmamaritisan tayo. Hindi mo alam, binibideo kita. Kaya good vibes lang lagi. Kaya good luck and happy birthday at congratulations yung pagka-monetize. Yan, kanta na. Excited na kung makitang kumanta ka at sumayaw para ma-entertain, din yung aking mga ka-explore, yung mga supporter natin na mga senior kasi gusto nila good vibes. So good vibes lang lagi. Enjoy mo yung birthday, enjoy yung YT World. Kaya good luck. Bye-bye.
Hi dear, I'm wishing you the best of everything, especially today. Happy birthday! I am grateful for your friendship, your love and support and everything. You are an angel, God-given to many. Keep up that aura. Remember that everything works together for good for those who love God and was called for His purpose. God says in Jeremiah 29:11-13, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Then you will call me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart." That is God's promise for you. Happy birthday. So, enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chona. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Chona.
Chona, happy birthday. I hope at your current age you will be given health, success, and a long life. And I hope that your channel will be more advanced and success in the future. Happy birthday, Chona. Thank you.